Hi everyone, my name is Rachel. I live in Bradenton, Florida right now, but I grew up in Atlanta, Georgia. I currently work full-time as an athletic trainer at IMG Academy. I work mainly with our boys basketball program right now, but in the past I've worked with both our baseball and football programs. Work keeps me pretty busy. So I don't have a ton of free time, but when I do, I mainly just spend it at the park and at the beach with my 1-year-old golden doodle puppy, Poppy. I have my bachelor's degree in athletic training from the University of Georgia. And after that, I went on and got my master's degree in post-professional advanced practice athletic training from Texas State University. After I graduated from Texas State, I moved straight down to Florida and began this job. I love this job. I love what I do, but I decided it is time for a career change. So this is my only prerequisite that I did not take in undergrad. So I'm finishing this up and will be applying this summer to go get another master's degree to become an anesthesiology assistant. My plan is to start school for that hopefully next summer, assuming everything goes according to plan. So that's it about me. I'm super excited to be in this class, and I've been working in healthcare for a couple years now, and I'm excited to learn a whole different side of it.